Annyeong. Hi guys, this is Olivia. Today, I'm going to talk about some easy Korean vocabularies and Korean culture from a popular Korean drama. And after watching this video, you're going to figure out why do Koreans say our wife. Then, let's get started.
바이러스란 살아남고자 하는 본능은 지능을 뛰어넘고
Today's drama is All of Us Are Dead. This guy's name is Lee Byung-chan, who is a scientist, also a substitute teacher at Hyosan High School, where his son was a victim of bullying. As his son tried to commit suicide, Byung-chan begins to experiment on him to find some way for his son to fight back, but this actually leads him to create the virus. One day, a student gets bitten by a hamster, which was one of his experiments, and this girl gets infected and begins to go crazy. She happens to bite the school doctor and spreads the virus. Students and teachers are trying to escape, but the school becomes ground zero for a zombie virus outbreak. Korean title for this drama is 지금 우리 학교는. Again, 지금 우리 학교는. Actually, English title for this drama is not directly translated in Korean. I understand why they did it this way is because if you translate it directly in English, like word to word, then it would be like, now our school is. What the hell does that mean? So that's why they decided to go with All of Us Are Dead. And literally, they're all gonna die. First word I want to talk about is 지금. 지금 means now. We use the word 지금 literally every day. For example, when you meet up with your friends and text them you're on your way now, then you can say 지금 가고 있어. Or 지금 가는 중이야.
지금 얘기해주면 안 되냐? 지금 얘기해주면 안 되냐?
Next word is 우리. And actually, I got a lot of things to talk about it. 우리 means we, us, or our. One thing that I noticed is that foreigners who are learning Korean are so confused about why Koreans use 우리 남편, which is our husband, or 우리 아내, which is our wife. Are they sharing their spouses? Well, it doesn't mean that Korea is polygamous or polyandrous society. There is no perfect answer, however, based off of the history and background, it is more about the culture than the language because Koreans give more weight to the group or society they belong to than to the individuals. If you think about a lot of Asian countries value their communities, whereas Western countries relatively value individuals and privacy. Some psychologists have evidence that ancestors planted some of these cultural differences hundreds of years ago when they choose which grain to sow. This is called rice theory. This idea is that growing rice tends to foster cultures that are more cooperative and interconnected because farming rice requires collaborations with your neighbors a lot. In fact, farming rice requires about twice as many labor hours as wheat, which led rice farmers to share labor. If you ever watched Korean drama Reply in 1988, you know that they're neighbors, but they're so close to each other like a family. They make food for each other, take care of friends' kids like their own, and even borrow money. So neighbors became a family. Of course, 우리 남편 or 우리 아내 is grammarly incorrect, and this doesn't sound right? But this is just a habit for Koreans. Not only we say 우리 남편, which is our husband, or our wife, 우리 아내, But whenever we're talking about our family members, like 우리 엄마, our mom, 우리 할머니, our grandma, 우리 딸, our daughter, we use 우리. Even when we talk about the country, we say 우리나라, our country, instead of 내 나라, my country, because we basically think that this country is also shared by millions of people. This is a unique Korean perspective on 우리.
우리 학교에 있는 거 군인들이 봤잖아. 구하지도 않고 그냥 가더니 폭탄까지 쐈어. 혹시 우리가 죽길 바라는 건 아닐까?
And the last word is 학교. 학교 means school. Again, 학교. 학교.
좀비가 왜 학교에 나와? 영화에 나와야지. 좀비가 왜 학교에 나와? 영화에 나와야지.
So, put these words together. 지금 우리 학교는. 지금 우리 학교는. Now you know that this Korean title implicates some things going on in school right now. Thank you for watching this video and leave a comment on what you want to learn next. I will see you guys next time. Bye!